Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial guides you through creating a new section within TrueAIWork to organize your tasks effectively. You will learn how to navigate the interface and add a customized section to streamline your workflow. Click the All Tasks option to view all your current tasks in TrueAIWork. Click the Group tab to organize tasks by different categories and prepare for section creation. Click the Section option to access the area where you can manage and add new sections. Click the Add Section button to start creating a new section for your tasks. Click the Section Name field to enter the title for your new section. Enter your section name to identify it clearly. For example, use a descriptive title like Restaurant Menu Card. Click the Add button to save your new section and include it in your task organization. Click here to edit or update details within the section to better suit your project needs. Click here to review the configuration and ensure the section is set up correctly. Click here to complete the section setup and return to your organized task view. You have successfully created and configured a new section in TrueAIWork to better organize your tasks. This setup helps streamline your workflow and allows for easier task management within your projects.